As in? As in? See, Shweta, Nishant has proved time and again that he's your soulmate, correct?
Yeah.
And this time, he's going to prove it all the more. Okay? Basically, निशांत को ये पता था कि डांस प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आप बहुत थक जाएंगी, इसलिए उन्होंने ये सरप्राइज आपके लिए नेक्स्ट प्लान किया है.
I wanted to set up experiences for her that reminds her that she is a young, vibrant, beautiful person.
It's a brand new day and I feel alive. I breathe in deep under the big blue sky.
She loves water. Ask Shweta to take a bath in a jacuzzi. She'll be in there for hours. She won't even come out. She loves, like, you know, chapkafying around.
Crazy in love, crazy in love.
You know what? I was actually wishing that Nishant was here at that time. बाद में जब मुझे पता लगा कि जब मैं वहाँ थी तो वो एक्चुअली कहाँ पर था, तो और भी अच्छा था.
I want to see the expressions on her face when she finds out that I've sent her to one.
बाकी मैं ये जानना चाहता था आपसे, आपने प्रपोज कैसे किया?
अच्छा, वो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी है. When I was in college, श्वेता का टर्म मुझसे पहले खत्म हो गया था.
Okay.
So we'd been dating for about 2 years, and it was time for her to go home to Delhi.
Okay.
And it was time for me to make a decision whether I don't want her to go home and want her to come to my house for the rest of her life.
Okay.
मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि ब्यूटी एंड ब्रेन्स का ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन ज़िंदगी में शायद दोबारा कभी नहीं मिलने वाला.
क्या बात है.
जब उसकी ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी थी और वो जाने वाली थी, मैंने एक फ्रेंड के हॉस्टल रूम में आई सेट अप अ कार्ड. उस टाइम मेरे पास बहुत कम पैसे थे, तो मैंने लेकिन पैसे बचा के स्कॉलरशिप से सिल्वर की रिंग खरीदी थी. क्योंकि सिल्वर ही अफोर्ड कर पाता था मैं. और सिल्वर की रिंग लगा के और एक कार्ड रखा था. कार्ड पे लिखा था विल यू मैरी मी, और उसमें सिर्फ यस का ऑप्शन था, नो का ऑप्शन था ही नहीं.
इसे देखिए दिमाग कहते हैं.
एंड शी टिक्ड यस.
वो दिन और आज का दिन, I still think the best thing that I feel with him is that we are still friends. We are still best friends.
Here we have some gelatin. We'll just soak it with some water. Gelatin जो है एक thickening agent है. It's a thickening agent what we use to thicken the things. So that it becomes a little set in the glasses when we refrigerate it.
Okay.
Okay. So it's getting soaked. At the time we have a coffee maker over there, which is quick and convenient. Just get some coffee from there. Put some water, coffee. Yeah.
It's very nicely marked कि कहाँ डालना है. That was so fast. घर में तो बहुत टाइम लग जाता है कॉफ़ी बनाने में, स्पेशली उसको बीट करने में.
So we have our coffee ready with us.
Hey, welcome back, Shweta. How was it?
Hey, it was amazing.
What a beautiful day. It is certainly. Okay, anyway, अब ये सरप्राइज तो आपने बहुत एंजॉय किया. अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम अपने अगले सरप्राइज की तरफ बढ़े.
I can't wait.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Dancing, swimming, 2 big checks. So what was up next?
मैंने उसे एक स्टाइलिस्ट के पास भेजा.
Hi, Dipankar. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Very good. Hi. Shweta meet Dipankar. Dipankar meet Shweta.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
I saw your picture.
Oh, thank you.
Well, you remembered that I had mentioned to you that you're going to meet someone special?
Yes.
So, he's the man of the hour because he's going to style you for the best day of your life. Wow, you have some gorgeous dresses.
Dipankar did really help me understand what to do with my body type and how to, you know, style myself better.
What about this?
Shweta loves to dress up more than probably anything else in the world. Today, I wanted her to look spectacular. I wanted her to look like an angel.
All the best to you. It's a big day and I hope everything goes very well.
Thank you so much. मैं वेट कर रही थी कि निशांत का क्या रिएक्शन होगा इस लुक के ऊपर, you know.